Now, our next topic, advantage of accounting. There are many advantage of accounting. Some important point is financial information about business, assistance to management, replace memory, facilitates comparative study, facilitates settlement of tax liabilities, facilitates loan, evidence in court, and facilitates sale in business. Now, in full detail of this point, first, financial information about business. Financial performance during the accounting period, profit, earn or loss incurred, and also the financial position at the end of accounting period is known through accounting. By the accounting, we can get the information of our business, profit or loss, assets and liabilities, and financial position also. So, it is the advantage of accounting. Second point, assistance to management. The management makes business plans, take decisions, and exercises control over the affair on the basis of accounting information. Management, assistant to management. Advantage of accounting is management can control unnecessary activities of business with the help of accounting information. Replace memory. Businessmen replace memory a systematic and timely recording the transaction, obviate the necessity to remember transaction. The accounting record provide the necessary information. The businessman cannot remember all transaction of business, so accounting information replace the memory of businessman. Means when we prepare proper recording of in accounting, we can check the information anytime, anywhere. Fourth point, facilitate comparative study. By accounting, a systematic record enables a businessman to compare one year result with those of other year and locate significant factors leading to change in planning. By accounting, we can compare our performance, last year performance with current year performance. We can compare easily by accounting information. If we maintain record properly, if we maintain account properly, we can compare anytime our business performance. We can compare our performance, last year performance with current year performance, or we can compare our results, we can compare our profit easily with the help of accounting information. And facilitate settlement of tax liabilities. Facilitate tax settlement of tax liabilities means here a systematic accounting record immensely help in settlement of income tax and goods and service taxes, GST liabilities, since it is a good evidence of the correctness of transaction. With the help of accounting information, we can calculate how much tax paid to government, how much tax paid, income tax paid to government, how much tax paid, GST paid to government. We can easily calculate with the help of accounting information. So accounting helpful in settlement of tax liabilities to government. Facilitate loan. Accounting helpful in borrowing. Borrowing means when we take a loan from bank or any other institution, bank or other any institution check our financial position and then provided loan. So our financial position, our profitability position disclosed by accounting. So accounting helpful in facilitate loan, in borrowing. We can easily take loan, we can easily get loan from bank and other financial institution with the help of accounting information. Evidence in court. Any disputes arises in future with any other business person, with any other parties, accounting information prove helpful in court settlement, in accounting information helpful in settlement of any disputes, because accounting information is a good evidence in court. Facilitate sale in business. If we want to sell our business to any party, then accounting information provided help, yeah, facilitate sale in business, because accounting information helpful in sale of our business. When any party purchase our business, first the party check the position of our business and then purchase our business, and position disclosed by accounting information. So accounting information disclose the position of our business, financial position, profitability position, solvency position, and then check the position of our business. Any purchaser, any third party purchase our business easily, so we can easily sell our business with the help of accounting information. So it is the advantage of accounting. And our next topic is limitation of accounting. Limitation of accounting. First point in limitation of accounting, accounting is not fully exact. It means accounting is not fully exact in spite of the fact that most transactions are recorded on the basis of evidence, yet some estimates are also made for accounting profit or loss. For example, estimating the useful life of an assets, providing the doubtful debts, not net reliable value of closing stock, etc. Accounting is not fully exact. Means some transaction we will record with the help of evidence, with the help of document, but some transaction we will record by estimation. So accounting information is not fully exact. Some information recorded by evidence, recorded by document, so it is correct. But some information recorded by estimation, so it is not correct. So it is not correct. So we can say that accounting is not a fully exact information provided to us. And unrealistic information. Unrealistic information, accounting information may not be realistic, since accounting statement are prepared following the accounting concept and convention. For example, under the going concern concept, it is taken that business will continue for a foreseeable future. Accordingly, assets are recorded at cost and depreciation over their useful life. The assets may not be actually realized at book value. Unrealistic information. When we prepare account, we follow the many concept and convention of accounting. In concept and convention, one concept is say that going concern concept. Going concern concept say that business shall continue for a long period. According to this concept, we will record our assets on cost price every year and deducted depreciation year by year. But basis of recording always cost. We will not record the 8% market value in accounting. So, unrealistic information provided by accounting. फर्स्ट है यहाँ पर कि कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन हम एविडेंस से, डॉक्यूमेंट से यहाँ पर अकाउंटिंग में पुट करते हैं और कुछ हमारे एस्टिमेशन से। एस्टिमेशन से जो इंफॉर्मेशन पुट होती है वो कभी भी हमको हमारे बिजनेस की एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन डिस्क्लोज नहीं करती हैं। सेकेंड पॉइंट, अनरियलिस्टिक इंफॉर्मेशन। हम हमारी अकाउंटिंग में अकाउंटिंग के बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट और कन्वेंशन यूज करते हैं। कॉन्सेप्ट और कन्वेंशन में एक कॉन्सेप्ट और कन्वेंशन है गोइंग कंसर्न, जिसमें हमने कहा है कि बिजनेस लॉन्ग पीरियड तक ऑपरेट होगा और उसी को बेसिस मानकर हम अपने अकाउंटिंग में इंफॉर्मेशन जो असेट्स से रिलेटेड है उसको कॉस्ट पर ही एंटर करते हैं और उसमें से ईयर बाय ईयर उसकी जो वैल्यू लेस हो जाती है उसको डेप्रिसिएशन कहते हैं। डेप्रिसिएशन हम लेस करते रहते हैं, लेकिन हमारे रिकॉर्डिंग का जो बेस है वो हमेशा कॉस्ट प्राइस ही होता है और कॉस्ट प्राइस में से डेप्रिसिएशन को लेस करके बुक वैल्यू एंटर करते हैं। लेकिन हम कभी भी मार्केट प्राइस में उस असेट्स की क्या वैल्यू है मार्केट में उसको कभी भी हम आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करते हैं, रिकॉर्ड नहीं करते हैं, तो हमको कभी भी हमारा अकाउंटिंग कोई भी रियल इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड नहीं करता। थर्ड पॉइंट, accounting ignore the qualitative elements. Accounting is confined to monetary matter only. Therefore, qualitative elements like quality of skills of management and staff, industrial relations and public relations are ignored. In accounting, only quantitative, only monetary transaction recorded, always qualitative fact ignored. But we know that business not only operated by monetary fact, it is also operated by qualitative fact. But in accounting, we ignore the qualitative fact. हम जानते हैं कि बिजनेस कभी भी केवल मनी से ऑपरेट नहीं होता है। मनी के साथ साथ हमको हमारे एम्प्लॉय की ऑनेस्टी भी रिक्वायर्ड है, लेकिन ऑनेस्टी को, स्किल को, हार्ड वर्किंग को अकाउंटिंग में कभी भी रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं की जाती है। इट इज़ द लिमिटेशन ऑफ अकाउंटिंग। और हार्ड वर्क और स्किलफुल एम्प्लॉय अपनी फुल एफिशिएंसी से वर्क करते हैं तभी प्रॉफिट अर्न होता है बिजनेस में, लेकिन हम कहीं पर भी हमारे एम्प्लॉय की कैपेबिलिटी, उसकी हार्ड वर्किंग, उसका डिवोशन रिकॉर्ड नहीं करते हैं। तो अकाउंटिंग मॉनेटरी एस्पेक्ट्स को तो रिकॉर्ड करता है बट कभी भी क्वालिटेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स को रिकॉर्ड नहीं करता है। नंबर फोर्थ, accounting ignore the effective of price level changes. It means in accounting we record the assets always on cost price and less depreciation year by year, but at present value, at present market value always ignore in accounting. So प्राइस लेवल जो चेंजेस होते हैं उनको कभी भी अकाउंटिंग में प्लेस नहीं मिलती है। हमारे रिकॉर्डिंग हमेशा कॉस्ट प्राइस पर होगी। जैसे एग्जांपल के लिए आज से हमने 10 ईयर पहले कोई असेट्स 1 लाख में परचेस की तो हमारी रिकॉर्डिंग का बेस हमेशा 1 लाख ही रहेगा। उसमें से हम केवल डेप्रीसिएशन ईयर बाय ईयर लेस करते रहेंगे। मीन्स हम उसको अब प्रेजेंट में उसकी मार्केट में क्या वैल्यू उसको हमेशा अकाउंटिंग में इग्नोर करते हैं, उसकी कहीं पर भी कोई प्लेस नहीं। सो इट इज द लिमिटेशन ऑफ अकाउंटिंग। एंड लास्ट लिमिटेशन, अकाउंटिंग में लीड टू विंडो ड्रेसिंग। द टर्म विंडो ड्रेसिंग मीन्स The term window dressing is manipulation of accounts in a way So S2 conceal vital fact and present the financial statement to show the better position than what is actually in this situation. Income statement fails to provide the true and fair view of the result of operation, and balance sheet fails to provide the true and fair view of the financial enterprises. In accounting, some businessmen show their exact position, but some businessmen does not show the exact position. Actually, in business, suffer in loss, but businessmen show profit. So, when businessmen prepare unfair record, then we cannot get the information, we cannot get the real position of the business, we cannot get the information of real profit of the business and real financial position of the business. So here the limitation of accounting. I am repeating again. Accounting provide the information about business, about financial position of business. Accounting information helpful in management for making decision. Accounting information replace the memory of businessmen. Accounting information helpful in preparation of comparative study. Accounting information helpful in calculating tax liabilities to provide government. Accounting information helpful in borrowing from bank or other financial institution. Accounting information helpful in settlement of disputes. Accounting information helpful in sale of our business to third party or other parties. And limitation of accounting. Accounting is not fully exact, means some information put in accounting by evidence and some by estimation. जो इंफॉर्मेशन एस्टिमेशन से होती हैं वो कभी भी एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन डिस्क्लोज नहीं करती हैं. अनरियलिस्टिक इंफॉर्मेशन मीन्स अकाउंटिंग में हम कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन कॉस्ट बेसिस पर पुट करते हैं, हिस्टोरिकल कॉस्ट पर पुट करते हैं. मीन्स हमारी रिकॉर्डिंग का बेसिस हमेशा उसका पास्ट प्राइस होता है, प्रेजेंट प्राइस को हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं. सो अनरियलिस्टिक इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइडेड बाय अकाउंटिंग. थर्ड पॉइंट, अकाउंटिंग इग्नोर द effect of price level change. Fourth point, accounting ignore the qualitative elements. And fifth point, accounting may lead to window dressing. So here the limitation of accounting. So dear student, here our today's topic, today's lecture is over. Today we have already discussed meaning of accounting, process of accounting, objectives of accounting, advantage of accounting and limitation of accounting. Thank you and have a nice day.